Friends, today I am exploring Hoover Dam. Friends, the bridge which you see in this frame is the world's tallest concrete arch bridge. It is the first concrete steel arch composite bridge in the United States and covers 880 feet over Hoover Dam. This 1905 foot long man-made bridge connects both Nevada and Arizona highways. It is named as the Mike O. Alakan at Tillman Memorial Bridge as it honors a hero from each state of Nevada and Arizona. With 30,000 cubic yards of concrete and 16 million pounds of steel, this massive engineered wonder is the widest of its kind in the Western Hemisphere. Visitors can even walk through the bridge to have a best view of Hoover Dam below. Hoover Dam is a beautiful concrete arch gravity dam on the Colorado River. It is located near Boulder City, Nevada, which is about 50 kilometers southeast of Las Vegas City. It is on the border between the US states of Nevada and Arizona. This dam was constructed between 1931 and 1935 and it was dedicated on September 30th, 1935 by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Friends, Hoover Dam is named in honor of Herbert Hoover, the US President during whose administration construction began on the dam. Friends, this dam is 221 meters height and 379 meters long at the crest. four reinforced concrete intake towers located above the dam divert the water from the reservoir into huge steel pipes called penstocks. The water flows through the pipes to a hydroelectric power plant in the base of the dam and turns 17 vertical hydraulic turbines. It generates a total power of 2080 megawatts. The dam's generator provide power for public and private utilities in Nevada, Arizona, and California. Friends, Hoover Dam is open to visitors from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 7 days a week. It offers two types of tours. One is unguided Hoover Dam tour, which lasts for an hour, and the another one is guided power plant tour. The first tour of the day begins at 9:30 a.m. with tours running every half an hour until the final tour at 3:30 p.m. Power plant tours begin at 9:25 a.m. with the final tour at 3:55 p.m. Hoover Dam tour costs $30 for adults. No children under 8 years are permitted for this tour. Power plant tour costs $15 for adults, $12 for seniors, and for aged 4 to 16 years. Children under 4 years are admitted for free. Tickets are to be purchased at the Visitor Center, which is located at the entrance of the dam. Tickets are limited to 20 people per tour only. Parking costs $10 per car. If we are not interested in the tour, we can walk over the dam and see the view of the dam at free of cost. Friends, Hoover Dam is a major tourist attraction. Nearly 7 million tourists visits every year. This dam, power plant, and reservoir are owned and managed by the United States Department of the Interior's Bureau of Reclamation. Thanks for watching my video. Friends, don't forget to like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel Biker Ageless.